Go.
Go. Okay, so is this thing on? This is Agile Coach Camp. I'm Patrick Wilson-Welsh. Here's Alistair and David and Robert and Jesse. We've just concluded an open space session on how do you learn Agile programming, quote unquote. How do you learn software craftsmanship? How do you learn programming excellence? Alistair, go.
Well, it was sort of interesting how the first maybe third of our session was actually all about, what role do universities play?
Yeah.
And I think really at the end of it, it was great to have a university student as part of our session. And really, I think at the end of it, we kind of concluded that we're not sure they have a role to play. And in fact, we have another model for how to teach people.
Yeah, so the second step past, someone coming out of the university is how do you baseline them? What's the things that we want them to learn? What are the things that we want them to grow in so they can actually be a good part of the team, an agile team, so that they can actually build pieces that are reusable, refactorable, testable, all that kind of stuff.
Right. Then we even talked about issues of defining what craftsmanship is in the realm of software development.
Well, you had experienced like craftsmanship in terms of
mechanical
things, right? That was really fascinating for me.
And what is the aesthetic that is going to be embraced is to show what the craftsmanship of a piece of software is, so that you can recognize it when you see it. And that was a very deep discussion.
And we listed some existing movements and organizations and books that are embracing this notion.
You can join the movement if you want to, right?
Yes, there is a
movement to join.
We didn't really talk about how you actually convince someone that they should go into the Agile.
I kept pushing that out of scope.
Yeah, but that was something we couldn't really address.
Then how do you make an organization accept the idea that it's valuable to have a craftsmanship model in a corporate environment?
If you facilitate that one, I'll attend it.
Okay. So,
anyway, I learned a lot.
Yeah, it was good.
Thank you. Thanks.
It was good.
I learned a lot.